Most people think their passwords are strong, but the reality is different. Hackers have advanced tools that can crack weak passwords in seconds. The shorter and simpler your password, the easier it is to break. Today, we'll explore how the length of your password directly affects how long it takes for hackers to crack it. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a password that's nearly impossible to hack. To understand why password length matters, let's talk about brute force attacks. This is when an attacker systematically tries every possible combination of characters until they find the right one. Computers today are incredibly fast. A modern hacking setup using advanced GPUs can test billions of password combinations per second. That means short and simple passwords don't stand a chance. Let's break it down with real numbers. A 6-character password, even with a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers and symbols, can be cracked instantly, less than a second. Even if you only use lowercase letters, the number of possible combinations is limited, and brute force tools will break it immediately. If you use an 8-character password, it's slightly better but still weak. A password with just lowercase letters? Less than a second to crack. If you add numbers and symbols, it might last a few minutes to an hour, but that's still dangerously short. A 10-character password makes things more difficult for hackers. If it's just lowercase letters, it can still be cracked in a matter of hours. But if you mix uppercase, lowercase, numbers and symbols, it can take weeks or even months. That might sound like a long time, but remember, hackers often use massive computing power and even rent cloud-based cracking services. If your password is important, they will keep trying. Here's where things change dramatically. A 12-character password with a strong mix of characters takes years to crack. If you go up to 16 characters, even the fastest supercomputers would need millions of years to brute force it. The reason is simple. Every additional character increases the number of possible combinations exponentially. While an 8-character password has billions of combinations, a 16-character password has quintillions. This makes brute force attacks practically useless. Use at least 12 to 16 characters. The longer the better. Mix uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. This increases complexity. Avoid common words, names or patterns. Passwords like password 123 or QWERTY are cracked instantly. Use a passphrase instead of a single word. A random sentence like blue sky hash runs fast 2023 is much harder to guess. Never reuse passwords. If one account gets hacked, all your accounts could be compromised. Use a password manager. This helps you generate and store strong passwords without the need to remember them. Hackers are constantly improving their methods, but one thing remains true. The longer and more complex your password, the safer you are. A weak password can be cracked in seconds. A strong one can last a lifetime. Now take a moment to check your passwords. Are they long enough? Are they unique? If not, change them today before it's too late. Your security starts with a strong password. Don't make it easy for hackers.